Welcome to the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission's tutorial on how to create a third-party logon for our online tax portal, EMINTS. Please note all tax information used in this demonstration is fictitious and for instructional purposes only. A third party is an individual or business, such as a tax preparer, who can file and/or pay taxes on behalf of their client. Third-party access also allows you to submit a bulk file, look up your client's account ID, and much more. Let's get started. Access our EMINTS homepage at emints.metrorevenue.org, and under the Access and Registration panel, we're going to use Create a Username for our online tax portal EMINTS link. Select the bubble next to I will be filing taxes on behalf of my client with third-party access and click Next. Review the introduction and click Next. Now you'll enter the username you choose and your name and the password. The password must meet the requirements listed, and then retype the password to confirm. And set a secret question from the list in the drop-down menu, or you can choose to write your own question and enter that answer. And we'll click Next. Enter your email address and phone number. And choose a phone type and that phone number again. Scroll down. You can choose to change the default settings for electronic correspondence by choosing No if you wish to receive paper notifications, and click Next. Review the summary information and ensure everything is entered correctly. Click Next again. And if you wish to submit the request, click the Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation message as well as a confirmation email.